So, hi guys. So, I'm Daphne Tihayo and my partner is Michelle Lapas and Joelyn Sanico. So, Michelle Lapas and Joelyn Sanico will discuss how to use class points in this video.
Vlogag! Hi anyone, any two. Hi guys, it's me again, Joelyn. So guys, for today's vlog, for today's video, is ang atong buhaton karon it is a very important video. So karon guys, for educational purposes ni, dili na ni pang unsa na ria, dili na mag makeup tutorial na. So karon mag-talk ta. Guess it, yes. So mag-talk ta how to use class point. So now let's talk about what exactly is a class point. So class point is the most integrated interactive teaching and classroom quiz tool designed for every educators who uses PowerPoint daw. So it also allows teachers quick, easy access to advanced annotation and teaching tools like pens, ball pens, shapes, an embedded browser, and whiteboard backgrounds, along with the ability to turn PowerPoint slides into interactive quizzes. So also, these activities can be run with students to collect their live responses, then scored and saved to review the data and award students stars. So stars can be awarded at any point during a presentation to add some competitive fun and reveal the leaderboard and student rank. So class point also helps educators achieve all the above right within PowerPoint, so they don't need to switch to another application. Gets? So guys, since I have a problem for downloading the class point, is namang siya ka ng compatibility, which is kani more na sila ang maka-download ana. So hi again, so since nga di man ta ka-download ana nga class point, so ang atong buhaton karon is mag-show lang ko diri sa screen sa diri tutorial, and I will explain it further to para mag-gets ninyo, okay? First, you have to sign up. Put your email address or any, then your name, your last name, password, yes, then download now. Next is install, preparing, downloading, then you have it. Yes, PowerPoint. The next is this. You have to sign in also to the PowerPoint app. You have also to log into the PowerPoint app, your email, password, then log in. And you have it. So guys, I hope that you all know how to download the ClassPoint app na. So dahan ka siya mga sign up no. Mao dyan na siya girl, guys, mao dyan na. So the next is my friend. She is a vlogger too. Pasok.
Hello guys, I am Michelle. So today I will show you 2 simple tools in ClassPoints that you can use to keep your students throughout the entire session.
The first tool is the Quick tool. It is located in the ClassPoint toolbar in slideshow mode, right next to the whiteboard. You can use it when you have an ad hoc question to ask, or you want to collect quick feedback from students. We've provided 2 commonly used templates, a true or false and yes or no. When you could start the poll, these options will send to students and they can provide instant feedbacks. Beside the template, you can always select the number of options for your question and run the poll. And the second poll is pick a name. Every student has their name behind one of these randomly arranged boxes. When you want to pick one or more students to answer a question, just click a box to reveal the name behind it. You can use this tool to add a lot of excitement to your class and definitely to keep your student focused. If you want to shuffle their names and start over, simply click reset. And this is how you can use Quick Tool to pick a new activities to engage students in class. And that's all. You can try it now.
Ay, naladay mo. Sorry guys. Murag napanindot akong pagpaminaw sa explanation, no? So, mo dito paggamit sa karon ako na ako'y nakatunan, and I hope Michelle napos ay nakatunan. So, thank you Michelle, my friend. That's my friend guys, for explaining further what's inside the class point, unsaon siya paggamit, and that's it. I hope jud guys nga namoy nakatunan ana. And sorry, we're sorry nga wala na mo na explain nga kami jud mismo nagtuplok-tuplok, kami nag-sign in, kami nag-log in kay guys na jud akong problem, which is kanina sad gislap jud mi sa reality na di jud mi ko anon. Pero at least guys, I hope that you guys appreciated our simply vlog. So that's the end. I hope that you like, you can comment guys and share. Bye guys, thank you, see you next vlog.